Unlocking the power of persuasion. Hammer home a point. Hello and welcome to today's English learning journey. In this video, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's all about making your message unforgettable. The phrase is, hammer home a point. Whether you're preparing for a speech, writing an essay, or simply trying to convince a friend of your movie choice, understanding this phrase will sharpen your persuasive skills. Let's get started. To hammer home a point means to emphasize or reiterate something very strongly to make sure it is understood, accepted, or remembered. Imagine a carpenter using a hammer to drive a nail firmly into wood. Similarly, when you hammer home a point, you are driving your message firmly into the listener's or reader's mind. This method is often used in discussions, speeches, or arguments where clarity and persuasion are crucial. The phrase, hammer home a point, combines physical imagery with rhetorical skill. The idea likely comes from the literal action of hammering, a task that requires strength, precision, and repetition to ensure a nail is securely fixed. In communication, repeating a key idea with force and clarity embeds that idea in the audience's consciousness, just like a well-hammered nail. Using this phrase effectively means more than just repetition. Here's how to make your point stick. 1. Be clear and concise. Your point should be easily understood. Complicated ideas need simplification without losing their essence. 2. Use strong evidence. Support your point with facts, statistics, or real-life examples. Strong backing makes your argument harder to ignore. 3. Show passion. Emotional investment can be contagious. If you show you deeply care about the point, your audience is more likely to pay attention. 4. Strategic repetition. Repeat your point at strategic moments, especially at the beginning and end of your argument, to ensure it stays with your audience. In speeches or presentations, a politician might hammer home the point about the importance of voting to ensure the audience understands its critical role in democracy. In marketing, advertisers often hammer home the benefits of a product, ensuring potential customers remember them. In education, teachers might hammer home the key themes of a lesson to ensure students grasp and remember the essential learning outcomes. Being able to hammer home a point is a powerful tool in your English language arsenal. It's about making your message so clear and memorable that it can't be easily overlooked or forgotten. Whether you're trying to persuade, educate, or simply make a memorable statement, mastering this phrase will help you leave a lasting impact. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has hammered home how useful and dynamic the English language can be.